This is Iotega, the next generation all-in-one security and home automation platform. It's secure, simple, and scalable. Secure is Iotega's industry-leading 128-bit AES encrypted PowerG technology that reduces costs while increasing reliability. Secure is being able to customize your level of control, from local notifications to full remote control cloud-based intelligence. Secure is smart technological features like transport layer security for communication, built-in siren, two-way voice, and visual verification. Simple is Iotega's easy plug-and-play installation. Simple is SmartTech configuration and management tool that decreases installation time. Simple is being able to intelligently activate Iotega based on events, schedules, and other triggers. And Simple is a sleek modular design. Scalability is everything from a security-only device to a complete home automation system powered by SecureNet. Scalability is the ability to seamlessly connect over 200 security and smart home devices. Scalability is the ability to use multiple communications protocols such as Ethernet, Wi-Fi, Z-Wave, PowerG, and optional 3G or LTE. Iotega. Security never looks so smart.